So here's a story that every Latvian kid knows. Sprīdītis. So there's this guy called Sprīdītis who lives with his stepmother. As you can see, she's one mean and makes him work all the time, just like does with kids in China. But the stepmother is obviously not as good as at running sweatshops, and Sprīdītis hates hard work, so he declares that literally anything would be better than this, takes a huge shovel, and goes to mine some analog crypto in the swamp. As we learn from this fairy tale written in 19th century, mining for an imaginary financial assets always ends up terribly, so from here the story is more or less like an adventure computer game. Sprīdītis goes on a quest and meets a bunch of weird and unreal women. I've seen this one myself in the forest when I was younger and didn't know my mushrooms so well. Gathers some magic items, spends a night at this guy's place and gets a metal spike driven through his hand. Saves God. Why not? Disguised as an old dude, fights a troll and wins, of course. Then he goes on to win Satan in the dance battle and gets the main prize, a princess. Because obviously women are to be won as prizes in contests. And gets mad at everyone because she would not sleep with him on the first night. Then he turns into a swan and flies home. Meanwhile, the king, obviously not happy with the fact that he still needs to deal with a princess who refuses to be bought and sold like a horse, comes to visit Sprīdītis. There he meets this charming form of a woman who disrespects him immediately, falls in love and takes her away to live in a castle, because his victim personality is not complete without a sadist by his side. Sprīdītis therefore stays at home where he does not have to work anymore and can now live in peace and poverty. The end.